for an update on the market and also for a look at how the market has done this month. We have Sam Ine. He's a stockbroker at TFS Investment and Securities. Sam, it's great to have you on the show as usual. It would be good to start by getting an update on activities in the market today.
Basically, as we speak, the all-share index is slightly down. We want to recall that the present level of the all-share index is below the support of 38.925. So I see a situation whereby the all-share index might go further downwards. In essence, I'm saying the all-share index might be bearish. But we know that among the early movers in terms of volume have been Transcorp, Unity, and some other stocks. Transcorp has come down a little. I think that is as a result of, say, two factors. One, we know that the Okomuoil power plant was shut down during the week because of pipeline vandalism, and we also know that the Obigbo gas plant was also shut down by Shell because of encroachment into the right-of-way of the gas pipeline. So I think this and other and the other fact that Transcorp was overbought at about 5.87 may have resulted in the correction that we are seeing. But clearly, I still see a lot of value in Transcorp because Transcorp is basically undervalued, and I see a support at the current price of 3.53 for the clear reason that the volume has picked up. In the last 2 days, the volume has been 4 million plus, 9 million plus, but as we speak, the volume is over 210 million. So I think a lot of discerning investors sees that 3.53 is a good re-entry price for Transcorp. So I foresee Transcorp closing a bit higher today, as in higher than 3.56, and for next month, I see Transcorp further going up.
Going up next month?
Yeah, exactly.
Now, I mean, that stock has gone down 33.1%. So, you know, of course, lots of investors will be looking at it, especially next week. Do you think that we will continue to see losses at least next week?
I don't see that. I see a reversal of the present downward trend in Transcorp. I see it going further up. Like I said, the volume today is over 210 million as we speak. So before the market closes today, the volume might further inch up. The total offer at 3.56 is just 7 million. So I see Transcorp closing higher than 3.56 today, and I see 3.56 being established by the market as the support base for which this price decline might actually stop.
Now, you mentioned some stocks in the banking sector, Wema Bank. You also mentioned Unity Bank. Now, some of these penny stocks in that sector, some analysts say that those stocks are the ones that we should be watching in 2014. Do you share that view?
Basically, I think the stocks we should be watching in 2014 is the consumer goods and the insurance sector. Those two sectors hold a lot of value as we speak for next year.
Why would you say that?
If you look at it basically, you will see that NICOM has done a lot of work in the insurance sector. We are seeing the fruit in that a number of them have released their 2012 result. They've also released their quarterly result up till Q3. And they have shown that they've been able to write off previous losses, and now they are posting positive results for the shareholders. So I see a situation whereby discerning investors will come in and take sizable equity stake in these companies, and as a result begin to pump in, say, further equity capital injection, and that will help turn around the business. Besides, you know, with our population, life insurance business is going to be very, very lucrative for discerning long-term investors.
Interesting. Let's talk about JOSBREW. That stock has been going up. We can see that it's going up about 4.8% today. This week, it's gone up so far 21%. So why are we seeing so much activity in that stock? Why the demand?
We know that before now, JOSBREW wasn't doing well because of high debt profile, and we got information that a lot of this debt has been paid off, and that further capital has been injected into the brewing company. Now, with this fresh capital injection, it is expected by investors that this will result in a positive turnaround, and then you begin to have positive results. Now, basically, someone might want to ask, why do you now price it higher if we are just seeing some fresh input? Why not wait for when you begin to see the result? But you know that basically the price of stocks has to do with discounting future earnings. So I think that is why the price is moving up, reflective of what is going on in the company as we speak. Okay,
Sam, let's leave it there. Thanks for sharing your view with us. As usual, that's Sam Ines, a stockbroker at TFS Investment.